What if I told you a single invention killed more people than plagues, outlasted empires, and even decided the fate of humanity itself? For 10,000 years, weapons haven't just fought wars. They've built civilizations, burned them to ash, and now they're rewriting our future. This is the untold story of the 10 weapons that changed everything, and why the next one might not even need a human to pull the trigger. Subscribe or risk missing history's deadliest secrets. 1. The first game changer, the spear. Before the sword, before the gun, there was the spear. Simple? Yes. But this sharpened stick didn't just feed tribes, it built armies. The Romans used it to conquer continents. The Zulu Ikalwa spear turned a small kingdom into an empire. And today, the spear's DNA lives on in every bullet and missile. Because once humans realized they could kill from a distance, warfare was never the same. Hook fact. Fun fact, the oldest known spear is 400,000 years old, and it was thrown by a Neanderthal, not us. 2. The Empire Destroyer, gunpowder. In a 9th century Chinese lab, alchemists seeking immortality accidentally created a powder that would murder millions. Gunpowder didn't just kill, it shattered the world order. Knights in armor? Useless. Castle walls? Obsolete. When the Ottomans rolled out giant cannons in 1453, they didn't just conquer a city, they ended the Middle Ages. But here's the twist. The same invention that birthed fireworks also gave us the atomic bomb. Talk about a double-edged sword. Shocking twist. The Chinese kept gunpowder a secret for 400 years, until Mongol invaders leaked it to the world. Oops! 3. The democratizer of death, the AK-47. Meet the AK-47. Cheap, durable, and responsible for 1 in 5 war deaths since 1945. Stalin's engineers designed it to be used by uneducated soldiers, and boy did it work. From Vietnam to Syria, this gun turned farmers into armies and kids into killers. But here's the dark irony. The AK-47 was meant to liberate the working class. Instead, it became the ultimate tool of oppression and the best-selling product of the Soviet Union. Chilling quote. As its designer Mikhail Kalashnikov said, "I wish I'd invented a lawnmower instead." 4. The end of humanity's monopoly. Autonomous drones. Right now, in a lab in Nevada, an AI is learning to hunt without human input. For the first time in history, weapons don't need us. The Turkish Bayraktar drone has already reshaped wars in Ukraine and Libya. But soon, swarms of AI drones could drop bombs, hack systems, and even choose targets, all while their creators sleep. The question isn't if a robot will kill a human, it's when and who's programming it. Wait for comments. Would you trust an AI to decide life or death? Let me know below. Weapons built pyramids, toppled kings, and split the atom. But as we hand the trigger to machines, one thing's clear. The next game changer might not just rewrite history, it could erase humanity. Want to know which ancient weapon still outsmarts modern tech? Smash that subscribe button. The answer might terrify you. Next video, the 3,000-year-old weapon that beats AI, coming Thursday. Subscribe or risk missing history's deadliest secrets. Let me know. Should AI control weapons? Comment before the robots take over.